So the first one, let's call him fa. It's like you're saying fire, fire, fire. Fa. The other one is qaf. As if you're saying kaf. Qaf. Qaf. Some of these letters does not have equivalents in the English language or any other languages as well. So like for example, the Arabic language is called لغة الضاد, the language of the dad, right here. This letter right here. This letter right here doesn't exist in any language on earth. Does not. So that's why sometimes you might find it a little bit difficult to pronounce, but you will get it. You will get it, inshallah. It's just because we don't have equivalents in the English language or any other languages. But so the qaf, it's like you're squeezing the upper portion of your throat together and ejecting the sound of qa, 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 qaf. Almost sound like a crow. Have you heard a crow before? Like qa, 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 qa. So exactly sounds like a crow. So this is fa. This is qa, 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 qaf. So let's recap, inshallah. Sad, dad, ta, dha, ain, ghain, fa, and qa. The next letters are single and lonely letters. They don't have no family. So, and they're easy. Sometimes it's written as this way. Sometimes it's written as this way. So we're going to choose the easy way, since we focus on the easy steps. Step by step, inshallah. So this guy is just easy. It just sits there, It's like you're saying K. So this guy's name is Kaf, Kaf, as if you're saying K, kilo, Kim, kimono, It's Kaf. Good. Now there is a difference between this one, Kaf, and Qaf. So you need to be careful, So with mouth open, Qaf and Kaf. Okay, this one is Kaf, is slightly soft.